All right, so we just got done identifying simple and compound statements. So there are types of compound statements, and so this next example is going to help us talk through the different kinds of compound statements. Compound statements are joined with connectives, and in words, those connectives are and, or, an if, and then also an if and only if. Okay, every connective has a formal name, and so and, whenever you see that word, that formal name for an and is called a conjunction. The formal name for or is known as a disjunction. If then, so like if you do this, then I will do that kind of a thing, is called a conditional. And an if and only if is what is known as a biconditional. Okay. All right. So let's go through the statement. So first thing, we're going to decide simple or compound. And then if it's compound, we're going to state whether it's a conjunction, a disjunction, a conditional, or a biconditional. And I will highlight again the word or phrase that helps us distinguish which is which, okay? Especially since we're doing this via video. So for part A here, the solution to the inequality is x is less than 5 or x is greater than 15, okay? So again, like right away, we see that word or in there. So that is, again, a clue that this is compound. We've got two ideas. X is smaller than 5 or x is bigger than 15. And that word or tells us that this is a disjunction. Okay, and I'm going to do some abbreviating. You can do whatever you want in your notes. All right, part B. I'll make brownies for dessert if we have enough eggs. All right, simple or compound? Okay, simple or compound? So first thing, is there one idea here or is there more than one idea? We've got more than one idea. We've got making brownies for dessert. The other idea is having enough eggs. Okay, so this is a compound statement. Now, as for which one it is, this is actually an if-then, but written in the other order. Okay, and that doesn't mean that there's something wrong. This is the way we talk. Okay. It's a matter of taking the way we talk and turning it into something. So you could rearrange this and say, if we have enough eggs, then I'll make brownies for dessert. Okay, so there is an if then there. It's just written in an opposite order. And again, it's perfectly fine to do that. That's something we would say. Okay, so this is a conditional because we've got that if then. And just be aware, again, it doesn't have to be in that particular order. All right, she has decided to buy the SUV with heated seats. Simple statement or compound statement? So is there one idea there or more than one? Okay, this is one idea. She's decided to buy the SUV. Okay, with heated seats doesn't add another idea to it. It's just describing that particular SUV, and so that's a simple statement. D, you can go to the game if and only if you finish your homework. Okay, so again, we have two ideas. You can go to the game, you finish your homework. So this is a compound statement. And I think there is a pretty decent giveaway there whenever it says if and only if. That is your biconditional. He'll have surgery and return to work a week later. Simple or compound? Okay, again, more than one idea here. He'll have surgery. There's one idea. Returns to work, there's another idea. So this is a compound statement. And that word and in there, again, is sort of our indicator, our giveaway, if you will, that this is a conjunction. That's what the word and is a conjunction. Okay. The team's colors are red and white. Compound or simple? So is there one idea there or two? There are two ideas there. Team colors red, team colors white, okay? And it takes that and in the middle to join them together. So just like the last one, this is a compound statement that also is a conjunction. Tomorrow is the last day to apply for graduation. Simple or compound? Okay, one idea here, simple statement. Okay, there's not more than one in there. The last day to apply, period. All right, and two more here. If you sign up now, then you'll get free shipping on your first order. Okay, so again, I think we see the two ideas there. You sign up now, you get free shipping. So that's a compound statement, and this is a conditional. Again, we've got the if then, and in this case, it does appear in the quote unquote correct order, although it doesn't have to be. Okay, we could certainly say you'll get free shipping on your first order if you sign up now, and it would mean the same thing. All right, and last one, you must decide today or the offer will be rescinded. Simple or compound. Okay, this one again is compound. You decide today is one idea. The offer is taken away. That's the other idea. And we've got that or in between. So this is a compound statement. And this, because it's an or, is a disjunction.